ẹ máa bá wa wo ìkànnì Profession Entertainment PSC TV. Ìgbádùn yín ló jẹ wá lógún.
Aggrieved protesters came to stage their protest, and we've seen that a lot of damages have been done, especially at this place. So this is a branch of First Bank at the Shakwan area of Abeokuta, and you can see that many places have been damaged, especially the ATM centers. All the machines have been damaged, and also some of the glasses. Some of the glasses are around the bank. They've all been damaged. We can also see some traces. You can see some traces of burnt tires all around the place. And this is a Shakwan area of Abeokuta. So the protesters came here to protest the scarcity of pearl and Naira notes, which have made life become unbearable to them. And because they cannot take it anymore, so they came out in mass to protest the situation, and this is the aftermath of the protest. The very first thing to notice here is that Chapman used to be a very crowded area where marketers come to do their daily business, but now all of them have gone to their various houses. All the shops have shut down their doors just because they do not want to be held responsible for the damages. And also, we can see that many people are now going around, just moving around, going and coming, not doing any business, any sort of business. You cannot spot any people like doing business. Longer. All you can see are people just moving, coming back from one business here, just a business avenue. After I'm showing you a clear picture now. So they have refused to talk to us because they are afraid of what come after this. No one is ready to talk to us because they are afraid they will be held responsible for any of the damages caused, especially to this bank. Elsewhere, we've been to the Kuto area of Abeokuta. Also, we've been to the Ibara roundabout along Pansheke, and it's the same story. Although the damages were not as much as this, but the people who protested the scarcity of fuel and Naira notes. And they explained to us how it has affected their businesses, how it has affected their personal life, and how it is currently affecting all the things they do. Like I said, no one is transacting here any longer. It's supposed to be a major place to transact, but that is not happening right now because of the riots. And yes, the shops are shut. Everywhere is locked, and everyone has gone to our various houses. As you can see, here is the roundabout, the Chapon roundabout. We can also spot some burnt tires at the roundabout, but there are no security personnel here for now. There are no policemen here for now, and there are no security personnel. Because everyone has gone back to their daily lives, except for those that are committed, that are doing businesses here. So they've gone to their various houses to save their lives, their various lives. Many things have been said concerning the cause of the scarcity of fuel and Naira notes. But what do you think? What do you think is the cause? And do you think this is the right step to take by the youth and the aggrieved citizens in order to see to it that we come into conclusion that everything comes back to normal? So let's know. Let's know what you feel in our comment section. Thank you so much. The capital of Ogun State, where some youth came out to protest the scarcity of fuel and new Naira notes earlier. And this is the Kuto area of Abeokuta, where some protesters come to show their grievances concerning what they are currently facing in terms of the scarcity of new Naira notes and the scarcity of fuel, which have made life unbearable to them. So we shall be speaking with some of the people around to have a clearer picture of what will happen. So, abẹ́rẹ́kẹ́ ṣàlàyé fún wa kí ni nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nígbà yìí gan-an láìpẹ́ yìí.
Nǹkan tí a lè rí nípa tó ṣẹlẹ̀ pé àwọn èèyàn wọ́n fi ẹ̀hónú hàn lórí gbogbo tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà. Gbogbo èèyàn máa lọ sí báńkì, ọ̀rọ̀ ó gbà. Wọ́n máa dé ti POS, ọ̀rọ̀ ó gbà. So federal government nílẹ̀ sọ wípé wọ́n máa ná owó àjọmọ́. Owó tuntun tó ṣe síta ọ̀hún rí. Tó kọ́kọ́ èèyàn ọ̀rọ̀ owó ná. So tó bá dé gbogbo báńkì tó wà ní Abẹ́òkúta yìí, gbogbo bẹ̀ kódà yomi máa ti lọ síbẹ̀ láti mẹ́rin. Tó bá máa débẹ̀ nọ́mbà ó lè jẹ́ nọ́mbà 200 lọ máa fún ní lísì lọ máa fún pé ó tún tètè lọ bí aago 5 tí iná kò tún ní rówó gbà tí wọ́n máa fi di aago 5 rọ̀lẹ́. So everybody ó wá so everybody so àwọn bẹ ìjọba ọba wa kọjá sí o. So eléyìí ló ti ń fi àpẹẹrẹ pé òkú ti fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà òun ni pé iṣẹ́ kámẹ́rà tẹ̀ ń rí wọ́n ti sọ àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ pé ó ti sọ everybody Nàìjíríà ti fẹ́ ìbò ló dẹ̀ ń bọ̀ yìí tó máa fẹ́ yẹ ká máa dìbò fún èèyàn oníkálukú ló dẹ̀ ti gbọ́ Yorùbá náà dẹ̀ ti gbọ́ gbogbo wa náà ti gbọ́ tó bá wà pé ìbò tó ń bọ̀ yìí Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó ṣe kíní o tó kọ́ àbẹ̀ ìjọba àpapọ̀ tó bá wà kọ́ṣe sí o.
Thank you, man. So the man is explaining that life has become so much unbearable. Life has become unbearable to many people of the country, and they do not have any choice but to come out to protest the reason why everything is becoming so hard, which is nothing but the scarcity of fuel and the scarcity of mineral. So the young man here is complaining about the rate at which the POS operators are collecting charges from them, from the citizens. He said it was supposed to collect 2,000 naira, and the charges are supposed to in the past it was just 100 naira charge on it, but recently it has become 300 naira just to collect 2,000 naira, and it is not even the new naira note. So it has made life become unbearable for many people. Like I said, we are going to be meeting some of the marketers around here so that they are going to speak to us.
Ṣẹ́rí bí kò ṣe sí owó, ó affect ọjà. Àwọn ọlọ́jà àrọ́jà tà, a jókòó láti àárọ̀. Ká má lè pa bíi 10,000 naira wípé a ta ọjà láti aago 5 tàti déta. Ní èní sí yìí, àwọn èèyàn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní jáde, wọ́n ń jà, tòótọ́ wọn débi ọlọ́jà. Tó dìgbà tó bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní débi ọlọ́jà tí wọ́n ń ṣá ọlọ́jà, la tó fẹ́ jẹ́ kí ìlú ìkó rọrùn. Ọlọ́run fọ́wọn ìjọba wa, Ọlọ́run fún wọn ṣe. Wọ́n jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run kí wọ́n bá wa wá nǹkan ṣe sí gbogbo.
You might explain that the protesters did not trespass. They did not go to disturb the marketers, although they burned the tires just to show their grievances, to make people know, to make the government particularly know they are not happy. They are not happy about the situation, and they are trying as much as possible to show it, such that they will not be suffering and smiling in vain. So that is where we are going to. Let's have one more person before we end the session. Tell us. No.
I was left stranded. I can't receive my money, and I was hungry to the point that even those people that lock us outside, there's one woman that was very angry yesterday. He has to shake the gate to the point that he destroy everything. Those bankers, they run away. They left us there, and we cannot receive money. If we go to POS now, the charges now, even to collect money now is a problem now. So now, if Nigeria now can help us look to the need of all those people now, but if not, we will not come out to vote for them. That is my own. If government can find solution to it, now we'll be happy, because people today now, they are burning everywhere. Go to Shakwa, go to Ashero, they block everywhere. So I'm not happy about that. That is my own.
Thank you very much. Like I said, people have lamented so much concerning the situation they are facing, and this is where we are going to end the session for now, because we've learned some other cases, similar cases elsewhere across the country, where people will come out, especially the youth, to protest the new Naira note that is very scarce, and also the scarcity of fuel, which have made life become unbearable to them. Join us again for another live session soon, where we are going to go to other places, to other locations where the riots happened this morning. Thank you so much.